You don't need a calculator to know that 1 plus 1 equals to 2. You don't need a brain like Einstein's to figure out cats love fish. But here's someone to show us a chicken with extraordinary powers. Feeding cheetah. Eagle eyes. Leaping toadfish. Minuscule rat. Invisible chameleon. Spider feet. Sonic bat. Armadillo shield. Rubber snake. Spinning mole. Rhino punch. Smoky skunk. Now that's impressive. Once upon a time, on an island called Rocky Perch, there was a Kung Fu protection agency called Golden Egg Security. They provided protection to the people and their valuables. They were famous not only for providing great service, keeping their clients safe, but for the fact that the guards would never chicken out. Here's the key man of the clan, Chuck-a-doodle-doo. Oh well, things happen. Flick Feathers is the only female in the group and the brainiest as well. And this is Wingspan, the amateur inventor. Whenever there's a crucial situation, he's always there to assist. Well, maybe a different kind of assistance. As if a bullseye's been painted on their backs, the Golden Egg Security Company gets lots of attention from the bad guys. These clouds are just some of many. Others have tried to get their hands on the cookie jar, but they were even less successful. Much less. The Regal Guards Security has always tried to compete with Golden Egg Security with their big and fancy gadgets. Not to mention their impeccable skills for the job. But far away from the protection of Golden Egg Security lives the world's pinkest criminal mastermind, Dr. Gringo, and his pair of mischievous twin henchbirds, Pen and Gwyn. Dr. Gringo has very little patience for entertaining the ever-quarreling duo. His brain is focused on the treasure that he snatched from Chuck and friends. He needed it to generate power for his evil plan to conquer the whole island of Rocky Perch. Just when he thought everything had gone his way, he was forced to think again as Chuck started to unveil his superpowers. It was time for Dr. Gringo to pay for his evil doings. You can run, but you can't hide! Ooh, what a horrible fate for poor Pen and Gwyn. Watch out, because Kung Fu Chicken is kicking into action! Kung Fu Chicken!